My name is Noyan Loskor and I am from Bangladesh. I complete my BSc in Civil Engineering from Shahjalal University of Science and Technology. Today I am excited to apply for the Master's program in Safety Engineering for Transportation, Logistics and Production at the University of Genova. My academic journey fueled my passion for transportation safety, workplace health. In my final year, I conducted research on optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion through and road traffic network. By analyzing traffic pattern and proposing optimizing strategy, I explored a way to enhance efficiency, improve emergency response times. Additionally, my thesis focused on a different but equally critical aspect of safety construction workers' health. I studied the impact of construction noise on worker hearing, linking high noise level to potential health risks. My finding lead to strategy for better workplace protection, and this research is soon to be published in the Malaysian Journal of Civil Engineering in April volume. This experience taught me how data-driven solution can create real-world impact. I chose University of Geneva because its cutting-edge courses and research align perfectly with my goal. Courses like Transportation System Engineering and tools for designing transportation system will equip me to address critical challenge in Bangladesh, where rapid urbanization, traffic congestion poses a serious risk. I want to apply technology, smart planning, take transportation safer and more efficiency in my country. Bangladesh urgently needs safer road and better infrastructure, and I believe this master's program will help me become a part of this solution. After graduating, I plan to work on a project that reduces accident, improve logistics and protect worker well-being. I am honored to apply for this uh, scholarship and eager to join the University of Genova academic community. I am ready to work hard, collaborate and bring innovation solution to the I am honored to apply for this scholarship and eager to join the University of Genova academic community. I am ready to work hard, collaborate and bring innovative solutions to the transportation industry. Thank you for opportunity.